So students, in the last lecture, we have to completed our example up to step number 4. So students, our step number 4 is the load calculations. So in the last lecture, we have to completed our example up to load calculation in which final answer is 14.25 kilonewton per meter square. So students, now let us start our step number 5. So students, our step number 5 is moment calculation. So our step number 5 in which we have to find out our moment m0, and after finding out moment we have to distribute the moment as 65% which is negative moment and 35% which is positive moment. So all this step is already discussed in our last lecture. So now let us start. First of all, we have to find out moment on long span. So students, for long span, these two values are written from step number 3, which is length of column strip and middle strip in both the direction. So at that table, the value of L2 is equal to 4 meter for long span, and value of Ln is clear span is equal to 5.6 meter. So students, after finding out the load calculation and we have value of L2 and Ln, now we have to find out capital W. So the equation of capital W is small w into L2 into Ln. Why this equation is required? So student, the equation of moment is capital W into Ln divided by 8. But what is capital W? Capital W is the load on area L2 and Ln. This specification is clearly mentioned in the equation of M0. So first of all, we have to find out our capital W. So the equation of capital W is small w, which is 14.25, L2 is equal to 4 and Ln is equal to 5.6. So students, after putting all this value, we will get our answer of capital W is equal to 319.2 kilonewton. So students, after finding out capital W, the equation of moment is capital W into Ln divided by 8. So our value of capital W is 319.2. The value of Ln is 5.6 divided by 8. So students, after putting all this value, we will get our answer of M0 is equal to 223.44 kilonewton into meter. So students, this is our value of M0. Now we have to distribute that moment to negative and positive moment, and after that we have to distribute it at column strip and middle strip. So now our moment is 223.44 kilonewton into meter. So now let us distribute our moments. So students, our negative moment. So negative moment is 65%. So 65% of 223.44, which is equal to 145.23, and our positive moment is 35%. So students, our 35% of 223.44 is equal to 78.20. So students, you can see that our negative moment is equal to 0.65. 0.65 means 65%. So we will get our answer is 145.23 and our positive value is 78.20. After finding out negative moment and positive moment, let us start. You can see that over here, column strip, negative moment at an interior support. So students, you can see that over here, column strip shall be designed to resist 75% of total negative moment. So students, this is our total negative moment. So from total negative moment, 75% moment is taken as column strip. So 75% of 145.23 is taken by column strip, which is 108.92, and the rest of 25% is taken as middle strip. So this is the calculation of negative moment for long span. Similarly, for positive moment, so students, you can see that over here, column strip positive moment. So our column strip shall be designed to resist 60% of total positive moment. So students, this is our total positive moment, from which 60% is taken as column strip. So 60% of 78.20, which is equal to 46.92. So 46.92 moment is moved to column strip, and rest of 40% is moved to middle strip. So 40% of 78.20, which is equal to 31.28. So students, this is the moment calculations for long span. Similarly, all the calculations are done repeatedly for short span. So let us start the calculation for short span. So students, you can see that for short span, the value of L2 is equal to 6 meter, which is come from step number 3, in which there is one table of length of column strip and middle strip, and similarly Ln is clear span. So the value of clear span is 3.6 meter. So students, first of all we have to find out capital W. So what is the equation of capital W? So same equation, small w into L2 into Ln. So students, our small w is 14.25, L2 is equal to 6, and Ln is equal to 3.6. So students, after putting all this value, we will get our answer is 307.8 kilonewton. And after finding out capital W, we have to find out M0. So the equation of M0 is capital W into Ln divided by 8. So students, what is the value of capital W over here? The value of capital W is 307.8. The value of Ln, which is equal to 3.6 divided by 8. So after putting all this value, we will get our answer is 138.51 kilonewton into meter. So students, this is our main moment. So after finding out our moment, we have to distribute 65% negative moment and 35% positive moment. So all the calculations are done as per long span. So let us start our calculations. So students, you can see that our moment is 138.51 kilonewton into meter. So this is our main moment, which is M0. So how much moment is transferred as negative moment? So it is clearly mentioned in IS codal provision, 65% moment is considered as negative moment. So 65% of 138.51, so we will get our answer is 90.03. and rest of 35% moment is considered as positive moment. So students, 35% of 138.51, which is equal to 46.48. After finding out maximum negative moment and maximum positive moment, we have to transfer this moment to column strip and middle strip. So students, as discussed as earlier, the total negative moments 75% is transferred to the column strip and rest of 25% is transferred to the middle strip. So students, 75% of 90.03, which is equal to 67.52, and 20% of 90.03, which is equal to 22.51. Similarly, from total positive moment, maximum positive moment, 60% of moment is transferred to the column strip and 40% moment is transferred to the middle strip. So let us start our calculation. So 60% of 46.48, which is equal to 29.08. So 29.08 moment is transferred to the column strip and 40% of 46.48, which is equal to 19.40. So this 19.40 moment is transferred to the middle strip. So students, this is our step number 5, moment calculations. So students, you all know that there are 4 moments of long span and 4 moments of short span. So students, total 8 moments. So in the next step, we have to find out reinforcement calculation, in which we have to find out, after finding out moment, the first step is find out PT. After finding out PT, we have to find out AST. After finding out AST, we have to find out spacing. Then spacing provided and AST provided. These all the calculations are already done in our G+3 RC building. So now let us start our next step, reinforcement calculation. But before reinforcement calculation, we have to check for our effective depth. So students, our effective depth means small d, which is calculated in step number 2. So what is the value of small d? The value of small d is 155 mm. So we have to check that our effective depth is safe or not for maximum moment. So now let us start our step number 6, which is check for effective depth. So students, you all know that for FE415, the equation of maximum limit, MU limit, is equal to 0.138 into FCK BD square. So students, in the 8 moment, you all know that this is our 4 moments of short span and this is our moment of long span. So maximum value is 108.92. So we have to check for maximum moment. If we are safe in maximum moment, obviously we are safe in minimum moment. So now let us check for maximum moment. So students, our value of maximum moment is 108.92 into 10 raised to 6, because we have to convert kilonewton into meter to newton into mm, is equal to 0.138, which is constant. The value of FCK, which is characteristic strength. So in the question, it is already given that use M20. So the value of FCK is equal to 20. Now B means 2000. So students, this value of B is from step number 3 because this value is for long span and this value is for column strip. So you have to intersect your value for long span and for column strip. The value is 2 meter. So 2 meter is equal to 2000 mm. So our value of B is equal to 2000 mm and D is unknown. So students, after putting all this value, we will get our answer of small d is equal to 140.47 mm. It means whenever this maximum moments occurs, we have to required minimum effective depth is equal to 140.47 mm. But we have to provided more depth than required. So we are safe in effective depth. Now let us start our reinforcement calculation, but we have to find out minimum reinforcement calculation. So our minimum reinforcement calculation is 0.12 percentage of total cross sectional area, because you all know that for FE 415 minimum AST is equal to 0.12 percentage of total cross sectional area. So students, the equation of AST is equal to PT BD upon 100. So 0.12, B means 2000 because you all know that in step number 3 the value of column strip and middle strip is 2224, means for long span the value of column strip and middle strip is 22 respectively, and the value of column strip and middle strip for short span is equal to 2 and 4 meter respectively. So minimum width is equal to 2 meter, so we have to check for 2 meter. So our value of D is equal to 2000 mm and capital D, because we have to use total cross sectional area, not effective cross sectional area. Here total depth is required, so our capital D is equal to 180 divided by 100. So after putting all this value, we will get our answer 432 mm square. So students, this is the end of today's session. In the next lecture, we have to find out reinforcement calculation and moving on to our example number 2. Thank you for today's session.